Hi everyone. PEMDAS is saying that 2 times 7 goes first. So what is 2 times 7? 14. Good job. Let's bring the others down. So we have 5 minus 14 divided by 5. And then looking back at PEMDAS is saying that 14 divided by 5 goes first. So what is 14 divided by 5? I don't know. So I am going to write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 14 over 5. And let's bring the 5 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. So 5 over 1 equals 5, does not change to 5, minus 14 over 5. Notice that we are subtracting two fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method for this. And I'm going to erase this for space. And we're going to draw two wings, two antennas, and a body. So here's the first wing. 5 times 5. We're multiplying, not subtracting. And here's the antenna. 5 times 5 is 25. And then here's the other wing. 1 times 14. Here's the other antenna. 1 times 14 is 14. And then 1 times 5, here's the body. And don't leave yet because we need to figure out the mixed number answer and the decimal answer using long division. So I'm going to draw that there. And we got our first, or our new, the new denominator. So 1 times 5 is 5. And now we need to figure out the numerator. So we're going to subtract 25 minus 14. So 25 minus 14. And 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Sorry. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And I write that here. So this is your new numerator. And it's positive. And this is your improper fraction answer. And now let's get our, and you can break this down further. So this is it. So let's get our decimal answer and our mixed number answer using long division. So the 11 goes inside the long division. That is called the dividend. And the 5 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. So how many times can 5 fit into 11? 2 times. And then we multiply 2 times 5 equals 10. And then we subtract 11 minus 10 is 1. So our mixed number answer is 2, the whole number. The remainder 1 goes above the fraction bar. And then the 5 goes below the fraction bar. And this is your mixed number answer. And if you like to turn this back to its improper fraction, all you have to do is multiply 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 1 equals 11, and you keep the 5. So it's 11 over 5. Now let's continue the long division so we can find the decimal answer to this math problem. Now, how many times can 5 fit into 1? You cannot. So we're going to add a decimal after the 11 and a decimal after the 2. And then we're going to write the 0 here. And then bring down the 0, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. So how many times can 5 fit into 10? Twice. So I'll write 2 here. 2 times 5 is 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. So your answer in a decimal form is 2.2. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. And again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. See you in the next one.